Before I start the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and turn on the bell notification to get notified on my future uploads. I'm aiming for 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2026, and only with your help I can achieve that. You can join my community by visiting my channel, and I can't wait to hear from you. Before we get bored, let's get right to it. So what you need to do first is to create a new composition. I already have my texture and my video ready in my project panel, so you can go and import your video to your project panel ahead of time. Now we're going to click on the word new composition, where we have to create a new composition. You have to make sure your width and height is set to 1920 by 1080 pixels. The frame rate can be 30. The resolution, of course, will have to be full because you want to render the video in high quality. Now your duration can be set to basically any duration that you want. If your video wants to be 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 7 seconds, 10 seconds, you can adjust that here at any time. Background color is not really a necessity. You can put it to any color of your choice. We can click on the word OK. Now we're going to start by creating our video, arranging our video. So I'm going to drag this video into the new composition, comp1. But I'm going to rename this one to be main layer so that we know which one is which one. Just main is okay. Main, good. So I have my video here. I'm going to adjust this up a little bit. Up a little bit. Then I'm going to duplicate this video so that I have two. Now make sure you are selected on the down one so you can drag your video down. If not, you might have issues. You see, you might have issues like when clicking the videos, it might not be the exact one that is on above. This above one might be this one down, and this below one might be this one above. So make sure you click this before you drag it down to have a proper arrangement of your layers. And yes, one quick tip or one important tip is make sure you press Ctrl arrow to bring out your ruler ahead of time so that you can help yourself separate where the reflection will be and where the original video will be. This is just the way I do it. I know there are tons of ways to do this, but this is the way I see it's more convenient for me. So the next thing to do now we have our videos here up and down. So this is already sorted out. Next one to do is to right click on your project panel, go to new composition. Now we're going to create this one. This is going to be the texture composition. So we'll change the name from whatever it was before to texture, so we'll know what exactly this is. Click on the word OK. Now we have our texture layer. This is where we're going to import our texture. This one. So we'll drag it inside our composition. Reduce the scale to 50%. Yeah, I'll be dropping this link to this texture in the comment section below or in the description below. You can see it down there. So we have this now. Now we're going to bring up our effect called motion tile. We're going to bring up motion tile and we're going to include that into this texture. Now the motion tile is an effect. You can see it in your effect and preset. And also, I'm using the short key for FS console After Effects. So that's what that was. You just saw this. Let me bring it back again so you can see. Sorry. All right. So we're going to turn our width and height, which is the output width and output height, to 600 is all right. 600 is all right, just like this. Now make sure you click on the word mirror mirror edges, so you get this smooth transition between each tiles. Now the next thing to do is to pre-compose this layer. You can leave it the way it is. Make sure you move all attributes into the new composition. Now from here, turn this into a 3D layer by clicking on this cube box. Then we're going to change your rotation to the X rotation in particular to be minus 90 degree. Now from here, all we have to do is take it down a little bit. We can decide to leave it here if we want, or you can take it down to the entire bottom. Just find your right point. Just like I said before, the ruler will help you adjust all this. So I'm going to put this somewhere around here. And again, one last time, I'm going to put on the motion tile. And this time I'm going to drag it from the effect and preset panel. Drag it and dump it on the texture layer. Then I'm going to change the same thing, output and width height of this to 500 by 500. And also don't forget to click on the word mirror edges. Good. This is the outcome of it. I remember the ruler was set somewhere around here. I want it to be around here. I can also tick it up to have more ground. So from here, we have to go back to the main composition, which is this. And we go to our project panel, project tab here, and bringing this our texture layer down. You then see the texture appear just like this. So I think I have to drag this down a little bit as well, the video. I'll drag this bottom one down a little bit. Yes, good. So next step, or should I say the second to the final step, is to right click on your composition, go to new, and click on adjustment layer. You have an adjustment layer. Now make sure the adjustment layer is right below the first layer. This is the first layer. This should be in between these two clips. So from here I go to my effect and preset again, or I can just use my short key and type compound blur, sorry. Compound blur. Yes, you can see this will definitely happen. Then inside the effect and presets, we have, inside the effect control, we have the compound blur. I'm going to change the blur layer from where it is from the adjustment layer down to the texture layer. Then we're going to make sure the texture layer, the maximum blur is set to 120%. You can put that 100 to. Now this maximum blur helps you see more of the texture. So if you want to see more of the texture, you can keep on increasing these parameters to the amount you want. Or if you want to see less or see more of the video, you can reduce it. Anyway, everything just falls on how you want to make the video look. All right, it's based on your creativity. So now the next thing to do is to make sure we're going to hide this texture layer by clicking on the I button here. Already, as you can see, this is the final output. And basically that is all you have to do to get your amazing reflection on your video. And this is the final output. Amazing. If you want to add more, how should I say, if you want to add more pale to this, make it, instead of it looking so dull, you can add a null object. Add a null object, and we're going to parent everything to it. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video, and I'll see you in the next upload. Peace.